Hi everybody, my name is Zach. Come, let me show you how to remove CapCut watermark from your video. After you've loaded your clips on your CapCut or you are done with the editing, something like this will pop up on your video and it's unprofessional to export your video with the CapCut watermark. So how do you remove it from your video? We have two options. To get rid of this CapCut watermark. So number one is to click on this watermark. Once you click on it like this, you make it active and you click on, you press delete. And how do you permanently remove the CapCut watermark from your video? So the best way to do that is by clicking on this setting here. Click on the setting and click on add default ending. This button here, off it. You need to off it. You need to turn it off. Click on it and discard ending. Keep or discard. So you discard it and you can see it's off. Click on it again, it's on. Click on it, so click on discard. So that is how we permanently remove CapCut watermark from our video. I hope this information is helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at Zach Media Connect. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.